Model, 2018 Peugeot Partner Berlingo L2 long wheelbase, ULEZ Euro 6 5-seater factory-fitted crew van fully serviced ready to go grin. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 159265. MOT, 12 September 2024. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FD, BHY-B. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dashboard. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con. This has just undergone a full major service which has included having the complete timing belt kit changed, so not just a belt, this has had all of the tensioners and anything else associated with it grin. EU